Summer's coming and you want to take pictures using your smartphone, your cell phone, your camera phone, whatever you want to call it. And you want to know how to get the best quality images from the phone that you currently have. You want to take stunning photographs. You want to take photographs that are National Geographic quality. Okay, maybe not that good. But how can you do it? What would a professional photographer tell you to do to get the best quality images? But first of all, who am I and why am I a professional photographer? And how come I know so much about taking great quality images? My name is Mike Patterson. I've been a full-time professional photographer located here in Southern Alberta, Canada for over 39 years. I made my living 100% from photography for 39 years. I know what a good picture is. In addition to being a photographer, I also run a full-service photo lab, and I print thousands and thousands of images a week from people who want their pictures printed. And the majority of them are from smartphones, cell phones, camera phones. And I see the mistakes constantly that people are making with this to get horrible images instead of stunning images. So let's go through 6 things, probably 7, that will get you amazing pictures. Number 1, the biggest one by far, is clean the lens. I see so many pictures that are blurry, so many pictures that are out of focus because there's something smeared on the lens. Let's face it, we treat cameras, smartphone cameras, cell phone cameras, horribly. They get shoved into pockets, they get dropped, they get laid in stuff. We have sticky fingers and we touch them. All this gets on the lens and the pictures become out of focus. They become blurry. It's simple. Take something, clean it, whether it be just your collar, whether it be a paper towel, Kleenex, something softer the better, but clean it, get the crud off of it. All right, number 2, use natural light. Shut your flash off. Take some pictures with the flash, but get it shut off. I see so many flat, boring pictures because people just leave the flash on all the time. Turn it off. Start shooting pictures early in the morning and later at night where the light is what's called golden light. The pictures look so much nicer. Get that flash turned off though. It's a big one. Take some pictures with it, but take some pictures without it. Number 3, hold it steady. I see so many people. In fact, I'm currently sitting at a very touristy spot. It's actually raining quite hard outside, and that's why I'm inside the van doing this video. And I was one of the few people that was walking around with the camera. Everybody else out there is walking around with a smartphone, cell phone, camera phone, like I said, whatever you want to call it. And they're all doing the same thing. The one finger, one hand, and click, 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 click. And they're getting really, really shoddy pictures, horrible pictures, because they're shaky, they're out of focus. So what you want to do, hold with both hands. Take the picture with a finger. Click, click, click. It'll be so much better. Your pictures will be so much sharper. It just bugs me to no end when I see people like this, because I know when I go to print them, they're going to be blurry because of that. All right, the next thing. Learn to adjust your focus point and learn to adjust how bright or how dark the image is using the program that your phone uses to take the picture. Now, if your phone doesn't allow you to do that, download another app that will allow you to do that. Apps are generally free. Yes, you may have to put up with some advertising, but they allow you to do so much more. I've tried several different apps that have done so much more for allowing great pictures from phones that it's crazy. The built-in apps just are horrible. So get the app, learn how to put the focus point on your subject, learn how to brighten and darken. It'll make a huge difference to your picture. Editing your picture. No picture, when it comes off the phone, is generally perfect. They'll be close, but learn to edit your pictures. But at the same time, don't go overboard with editing. It's just not worth it. I see so many pictures that people have increased the contrast, increased the saturation, and it just looks horrible. If you do any editing, save the original with one name and save the edited one with something like edit in the file name afterwards. That way, if you don't like what it looks like, you haven't lost that picture forever. Then you can go back and you can use the original picture and get prints from that. And I said I'd give you a bonus one. Get your pictures printed and get them printed soon. Don't leave it for a year or 2 years. I get so many people that come in that have lost the original file. They end up having to go through and find a picture that they texted to somebody, and it's a lower res, and. Get your pictures printed. They look so much better when they're full resolution and you get them printed than they do when they've been downsized so many times that they're just a blurry mess. So get them printed. So until next time, get out there, take some pictures, have a great day doing it, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye now.